Hey, let me show you how easily you can pair the Redmi Buds for active with any Apple iPhone. So first of all, just be sure that you input both earbuds inside the charging case. And when you close this case, that this indicator is turned on. It means that actually your earbuds, your case is actually charged and it's actually charging also your earbuds. So everything is fine, they are working. And now we have to grab them out of this charging case. And from this, all we have to do is just to click 3 times on the left and the right earbud at the same time. So take a look. Grab them and click 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now we will move these earbuds into the pairing mode. So what we have to do next on our iPhone is to simply go into the settings. Now click on the Bluetooth. You can turn it off and then turn it on back. And now just wait for the other devices. As you can see, the Redmi Buds for active appears on the list, so we can just select them. Now, as you can see, we are successfully connected. And next, we can additionally connect them into the application. So we have to open the App Store. From this, we have to move into the search, click on the search bar and input Xiaomi earbuds phrase. We can also pick this from this recommendation. And that's actually the application that we have to download. So simply get it straight on your iPhone, then click open. In my case, I already have them. Now click on the plus in the right bottom corner. And as you can see from this, we have to select the Redmi Buds for active. Now just wait for this connection status. There we go. Now we are successfully connected, and right now please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.